What's up guys? So in this video I will show you and I will tell you a real story about my client who worked with me and who tell me that he was tried AliExpress. Okay, so let me show you that AliExpress. Okay, he tried AliExpress and Alibaba because he don't know, he is new and he faced a big problem. The product quality is very bad. The customers make a return and they complain. Okay, and customers also making chargebacks for the quality. So he told me, so, the Nazmul suppliers, we found you through YouTube. We saw your works, your fulfillment process, everything. So we want to try you. Okay. So he told me we tried AliExpress. They tried AliExpress, and the problems they face. They told me. Okay. So I told them, my friend, AliExpress, Alibaba, AutoDS, DSearch, okay, they have a lot of problems. Okay, for example, zero quality. Okay, so zero quality control. Okay, and you are blind. Okay, you are blind to what your customer receives, leading to unavoidable high refund rates. Okay, it's really true because you are totally blind, because AliExpress you cannot talk to face, and when you work with me or a private supplier, I will help you everything's like you are working in China. Okay, so this is the benefit. So when you work with AliExpress, this is the disadvantage you will get. And also like the data, what is the disadvantage of AutoDS search apps? Their data lags and processing delays. Okay, and everything. So for example, maybe you see product cost maybe $3. Okay, and private supplier giving you $4. Maybe for $1 chips or lower, you are going with AutoDS, you are going with Alibaba. Okay, but your business will be destroyed. Your suppliers, your customers will be complain. Your your orders, return, refund, every rate will be increased, and you are, at the end of the day, you are not profitable. Okay, so I told you the real story about my client. Right now I told you what benefits you will get from me. Okay, guaranteed 100% QC. That I told you that AliExpress, Alibaba, they don't provide good quality and quantity. Okay, the customer service is not good. So we provide mandatory video or photo QC proof. Before every single shipment, free delivery is our commitment. Okay, so this is the good things that we provide with everything before shipping. Provide what quality videos, photo, QC, everything. Okay, that you want. Okay, and the next thing is API integration. So we will show you what API integration we will connect to your store, because since you are storing Shopify, so we connect directly to your store. Zero manual entry, real-time inventory sync, and stock outs delays. Okay, so every time to time the stocks will be shipped from our warehouse. When we see the orders from your stores, in the same day we will fulfill the orders, so you will get the best service. Okay, and then private branding. So private branding means we treat your business like a brand. We offer custom packaging inserts and tailored logistics and solution. Okay, so it is very important. And if you want to private level to Alibaba, AliExpress, AutoDS, others, it will be very troubleshoot. Okay, and you have to talk to them. Their service, customer service is very slow, and you cannot talk to freely. Okay, and as a friend you will talk to me what you actually need, what problem you are facing. We will solve each one by one as a friend. Okay, so just think you as I'm your friend, not a supplier, not agent. So, and I'm also handling with lot of suppliers and also working with a lot of clients. Okay, so I'm seeing what problems they are facing. Okay, every day. So my friend, for the fulfillment, if you need any helps, okay, any helps, product samples, product good price, if you are getting from your current supplier like $10. So, and if you want to get more profit, if you want to save like $1, if you want $9, and definitely I can give you. Okay, so I can save you $1. I will try my best. So if you $1 is your from one order, so 100 orders is 100, so you can invest it on in advertising. Your scaling will be more higher. Okay, so thank you my friend. If you need other service, just comment below. Okay, I will help you definitely. So yeah, that's it.